You ready?
Yes, I'm ready, thank you.
Where's your team based?
Please repeat.
Where is your team?
I'm already single founder.
So you're there's one person on the team?
Yes, I have had co-founders. I have to part with them. I have a couple of advisors, and I will grow my team again. It's no problem. I have growing teams all my life.
Okay, take it away. Let's hear what you got.
Yeah, thank you. So Taist. Taist is a platform, cloud platform that enables businesses to tailor the SaaS they use to their specific needs. What's the problem? Every business has its own unique processes and needs. So every B2B software has to be customizable. It means it has to have ability to tailor it to specific business needs. And all the traditional non-SaaS software was customizable from Microsoft Office to SAP and other complex ERP systems. But cloud software can be customized technically, or it's very, very expensive and affordable only for top vendors like Google and Salesforce. I know that problem very well. It's just based on the whole my experience. I have created numerous projects of implementation and creation different of B2B projects. So I have always dreamed to invent a way to customize cloud software, as it's much and much popular now. And so we have invented this way. It's a platform that allows to create addons. They are just small pieces of code. They are created by clients, by businesses themselves, and they are uploaded to our server. And when the page of the target SaaS is displayed in the browser and loaded from it, it just works like magic. It adds additional UI and additional logic that the client needs. And the abilities are very powerful. Why now the SaaS target grows and becomes more and more mature, so it's just time for it. We have some problems. We have.
They can't see behind you.
Okay. We have proven. We have tried some business models and got first money. We have proven problem, demand, technology, and solution. It really works, and we are now seeking for developer community, working with vendors. And the future will be where there are some very complex and expensive private customization platforms that are created by very powerful vendors like Google and Salesforce, and all others will just use Taist for their needs, for their clients. Thank you.
Okay, judges, who's got questions? Can you pass the mic over there?
Can you tell us more how you distribute the service? What's your idea of distribution?
The distribution is the main question maybe in every startup and also here. There will be several steps of distribution. First is building a developer community. It means distributing through evangelists who create first add-ons for the needs of their small teams, like web development projects. Then we will, the main factor is partnership with SaaS vendors, which cannot pay for it but have a huge pain of numerous feature requests from their clients and are eager to redirect them to use our platform. For example, Rike.com, a project management systems, which we are now working with, they know and approve to us that building an ecosystem around a vendor is a key factor for success, like Salesforce has done, and we just help them. We create an ecosystem of add-ons and developers around any SaaS vendor that wants to partner with us. It's free for him and frees him from numerous feature requests and from pressure from the clients. And then the last stage is partnerships with systems integrators and VARs that sell SaaS to big enterprises, because it's a way for them to upsell and to sell more easily, because additional requirements are always in such contracts.
Okay, question, Andrew.
You use a lot of taglines and tag words, but I don't understand what you do. Could you give us a very
short example?
Of an example would
yes,
help. Thank you.
yes, of course, because okay. For example, you are a lawyer company, which is paid per hour from their clients, and you some simple project management systems is used by you, for example, Basecamp. it's all okay, but you have some sophisticated time tracking, and so you need some more complex feature from it to track the time to bill them to their clients, but Basecamp doesn't have it, and you have either to use some second service or to track it by hands, and there are lots of problems in showing to clients, and your lawyers forget to do it, and you just waste a lot of time and make mistakes. And with us, you can just implement the time tracking into Basecamp.
So are you developing bespoke solutions for service providers right now, or are you developing add-ons to general apps that lots of people can use?
We have started from developing add-ons ourselves to prove the problem and demand, and they have paid for it. But now we are focusing on developing a platform that allows other people, other companies to create add-ons for themselves. And the most pain is in general purpose SaaS, like project management, CRM, contract management software.
Okay, last question.
No.
One more question. Who wants to do it?
This was a suggestion, but still, even in that description, it's very vague to us, I think, all of us. Honing in on what you're developing the next month or two would be really helpful. Because I get it, if you're developing one-off solutions for law firms, it makes sense. But we're looking for disruptive companies that are honing in on one thing. So if you told us, I'm developing a time management app for law firms to overlay on Basecamp, we get that, right? It's very applicable. But you keep saying, well, there's 5 or 6 or 7 of these to build on.
So think
and I
about
think
one.
We're
so
losing
right.
kind of, I think you have the very high level vision, but we don't really understand the micro examples. What does the next 2 months look like even for you?
Maybe just try to answer really quickly in one sentence. What's the number one feature or number one solution that you're building now? Not the big picture.
We don't build any solution. We give a tool to build them.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Well done.